Welcome back to our motherfucking channel, bitch. You already know what you're... They're already starting.
So we're outside. We have a sign.
I need a drink. Hold on.
Welcome back to our motherfucking channel.
You already know it's your girl Justine.
And Nick.
As you can tell, we're outside and we're gonna film a video called You Honk and We Motherfucking Drink, bitch.
And to make matters worse, we got masks.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be sloths today, guys. Let's put them on. We're gonna be sloths. Where's your mask?
Well, bitch, you have my mask.
Oh.
All right.
Woo! Okay, I can't fucking see.
I got it.
Okay, we got some honks.
Should we do it without the sloth mask?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, we're gonna do it without the sloth mask.
We're gonna do it without the sloth mask because it's fucking hot in there.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, a heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Fucking bitch, I wanna drink! He's coming back. Sorry! If y'all are wondering what I'm drinking in here, I have vodka and pineapple juice. Hey!
We have shot!
Yeah, come take a shot!
Come take a shot!
Come, he wants the shot. I'm down. My bottle's right here.
Oh, Lily, go right there and give him a shot!
Lily, go give him the bottle shot! But don't let him take off with it, bitch!
John, run after her!
Go!
That's scary.
Go! You want a shot!
Oh, he's leaving. He's leaving.
Yeah, that's sad.
Walk the shame.
Refill. Hey!
How many honks can you get to the center of the seat cushion?
Ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt,
Woo!
down in the
All you gotta do is honk!
All you gotta do is motherfucking beep beep! Come on, can I get a beep beep? Can I get a beep beep? Can I get a honk the fucking front of thumbs up me? Honk! Honk it, horn!
And we'll drink!
Honk it, we'll drink!
We'll drink, honk!
How's it going so far, Nikki?
I'm on my third White Claw. Can you open it?
How you feel?
I finished my first drink and I need another one. I didn't realize that many people were gonna honk. They're honking.
Wait till a car passes to do it again. I need to get it. Kids, we're 25. We need to enjoy beer. You Honk We Drink! I can't. Girl, you crazy on the liquor. That's why I told you, you need wine now. We is getting older. We is not getting younger.
Bitch, we're in the street with the fucking You Honk We Drink sign.
Yeah, but I don't have fucking tequila on me. Listen, if you Honk We
Hey, what happened to the car? Put it got scared.
I did get scared for a little bit.
When that car stopped, there was two guys in the car and they were just looking at us like, I'm like, okay,
I was
go.
like, don't have traffic. And I was all, I'm fat, but I'm not stupid. Fuck that.
Alright guys, that was the end of our video.
I hope you liked it. And if you want to see more videos of us fucking outside, because I've been telling this bitch, but she don't fucking listen to me ever.
I've been fucking telling you that I want to be outside.
Liar.
Don't be fucking lying,
I tell
bitch.
you what I want to do.
I tell you what I want to do.
Anyways, you guys, if you like our outside videos, let us know. Oh, wait. One more. Okay.
Oh, there's no more cars.
I'll twerk.
If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Leave a comment on what you want to see next. And you already know it's J&N Lounge, and we're out.
Yes. Good luck on the giveaway.